Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. Today we are talking about a topic that affects almost every woman at some point in her life. At it's something we rarely discuss openly, vaginal discharge, also known as leucorrhea. Who all have visited first time on this channel, please do subscribe and then watch. Leucorrhea. Here we'll see the simple meaning that leuco means white, aurea means flow, white flow, and then here it's also flor albus, that is flor is nothing but a flow, albus means white flow, that is leucorrhea. We'll see exactly what is the meaning of leucorrhea. Here it's also known as vaginal discharge. Is a common gynecological condition characterized by an abnormal white or yellowish discharge from the vagina. It's often accompanied by itching, irritation or inflammation. Leucorrhea is nothing but there will be the vaginal discharge. It is abnormal, that is in the color white or yellow. Discharge that is from the vagina, and then it is by itching, irritation or inflammation. Next we'll see the types of leucorrhea. Here physiological leucorrhea, that is usually due to the imbalance of estrogen hormone. There will be the imbalance in the estrogen hormone, which is very important hormone in female body. That's about physiological leucorrhea. And then next one is inflammatory leucorrhea. That is, there will be inflammation in the reproductive organs of the female. This inflammation could be in vagina, uterus, or in uterine tubes, or ovary, or somewhere in reproductive system. That is inflammatory leucorrhea. And then next comes to the third type, that is parasitic leucorrhea. Here it is due to a special parasites which somehow enters into the reproductive system and cause production of leucorrhea. These are the types of leucorrhea. Here we'll see the different types of discharges from the vagina. Here first one, bloody or brown. It is due to irregular periods. And then cloudy or yellow. That is due to gonorrhea. And then greenish with smell. That is trichomoniasis. Due to trichomoniasis. And then next one is thick white cheesy, that is due to yeast infection. And then last one is white, grey or yellow, that is due to bacterial vaginosis. These are the types of vaginal discharges. Next we'll see the important thing of this topic is cause. What is the cause? What are all the causes? First one is hormonal changes. That is due to menstruation, pregnancy and menopause. And then infections like bacterial vaginosis, yeast infection, STIs, sexual transmitted infections, etc. And then due to poor hygiene. And then cervical or vaginal inflammation. Here in the picture you can see normal cervix and the cervicitis. There will be the inflammation of the cervix, we can see. And then next cause is polyps or fibroids. And then certain medications like antibiotics or steroids. And then nutritional deficiencies. And also due to the birth control pills. And then due to cervical cancer. These are all the very important causes for leucorrhea. Next we'll see the symptoms. Here thick white or yellowish discharge we can see, and then foul odor, and then itching or burning sensation, irritation or redness, and then you can see abdominal pain or cramping, back pain, and then headache is common, and then constipation of that tiredness. These are the symptoms of leucorrhea. Next we'll see the medical treatment here. antibiotics, that is for the bacterial infections, antibiotic has to be prescribed. And then second one is the antifungal drugs, antifungals for yeast infections. And then third one is the hormonal medications, that is for hormonal imbalances. To maintain hormonal imbalances, hormonal medications has to be prescribed. And then fourth one is anti-inflammatory medications, because due to the inflammation there will be the anti-inflammatory medications has to be given, that is for pain and inflammation. Next we'll see the preventive measures. Prevention here, practice good hygiene and then get regular checkups, maintain a balanced diet, and then most important thing is how to manage stress. These are the preventive measures. Next, lifestyle modifications. Here, first have to maintain good hygiene, wear cotton underwear, and then avoid tight clothing, and then use warm water for bathing, and then drink plenty of water, and also eat nutrient-rich foods. This is all about lifestyle modifications. Next, when to consult a doctor. These are the cases. First one is severe persistent symptoms, and then fever or even abdominal pain, and then in the case of unusual color or odor, and then in the case of difficulty urination, and then pregnancy or suspicion of pregnancy. In these cases has to consult a doctor. I hope you all are very clear with the topic Leucorrhoea. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative topics. Thank you for watching.